Welcome to the video, Introduction to UHIN Dashboards. In this video, we'll go over some basics regarding what dashboards are, how to access them, and some tips for viewing the data. Like a car dashboard, UHIN's data analytics dashboards are designed to bring together multiple important pieces of information onto a single screen. These data analytics dashboards are interactive, flexible, and customizable. UHIN's dashboards are accessible on a secure web-based tool. The link and login information for accessing this tool will be made available once you have completed enrollment. Once you've logged in, you'll see your available library of dashboards. Most accounts start off with a basic set of dashboards unless you've arranged with UHIN to build additional custom dashboards. Click on a name to load a dashboard. There are several key areas in a dashboard. First, check the top left corner for tabs, which indicate that more than one page is present. To view a different page, simply click on the tab. Inside each page, the information is arranged into tiles. Each tile will have a group of data with which you can interact. Although different dashboards may have different types of tiles, each page will always have a data table. The data table shows the actual records represented by the charts and graphs on the page. There are two ways to change the data that shows up in the tiles. The first option is called marking. If you click on any of the data points in a tile, all of the tiles on that page will update to show information related to the selected data point. In this example, by clicking on the inpatient admits for this specific facility, we now see the distribution of alerts over time and the data table for only the people who are part of that facility's inpatient admit group. If you continue to click on data points, the view will continue to narrow down to the group represented by all of the data points you've selected. To reset your page, click near the outside edge of the tiles you've marked. The second way to change the view is to use a filter. A filter will allow you to set specific parameters that will affect all tiles equally. If your filter pane is not open, just click the funnel icon on the upper right. In the filter area, you can specify data ranges and values for every type of data available on the page. For example, you could specify that you only want to see data for patients aged 65 and up. Or you could filter by specific diagnoses or complaint types. Once you've made a change in the filter and your cursor is no longer in the field, the page will automatically update. As a best practice, if you need to narrow your results, we recommend beginning by filtering the data first and then marking the data as needed. Every dashboard page will have options to export the data so that the data can be viewed and used outside this program. To export a static copy of the entire page, including the graphs, use the menu icon with 3 parallel lines. You can choose from multiple format options to export the data. In the same menu, there is a separate option called Download as Dxp File. This will allow you to save a fully interactive copy of the current page. Like the live website, you will still be able to mark and filter data. The difference is that the Dxp file contains a copy of the data at the time it was exported and will not be updated with new data. Instead of exporting the entire page, you can also export a list of the patients represented on the page. To export the patient list, right-click with your mouse anywhere in the Data Table tile and select one of the export options. Please note that if you have marked or filtered your data, the data table list will reflect those changes. This is a convenient way to identify populations with characteristics that warrant follow-up. Thank you for watching. For additional information on UHIN's data analytics dashboards, contact us at sales@uhin.org.